Hello, my name is Lilian. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing mini locks on my hair. So if you want to see my results, keep watching. But first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. So I'm starting on clean, dry hair. My hair has been in this sorry state for I think since yesterday. So this is what we are working with. My hair is actually dry, but there's a lot of shea butter in it, so it's not like not lubricated, but it's pretty dry. Spray some more water to just moisten the hair a little bit to prep it for styling. So I have enough shea butter in my hair, so I'm not going to be using butter for this hairstyle. So as usual, I'm going to go ahead and pat my hair. I'll be doing like small size locks, like the size of mini twist. So yeah, I'll first pat my hair horizontally, then start taking sections one by one. So I'm going to be having like box parts. This is how big the section I'm doing is. So the first thing I do is divide that section into 3 equal parts. This is very important because you don't want to borrow as you go. It's usually better when you don't borrow whenever you're doing braids or locks. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do. So after dividing into 3 equal parts, I start to braid. I braid tightly at the root as usual. If you guys watched my previous lock tutorial, then you probably know what I'm doing. I'm just doing basically the same thing, but I'm doing smaller sections. So when I braid tightly to about half an inch, I start to braid really loose. So I braid loosely until I have this much hair. Then I start to twirl the hair around my finger. Twirl around the finger. I don't know if it's obvious. I'm really tired. I don't know if you guys can hear how tired I am in my voice. But I'm very tired. I don't know. I've not really done much today, right? I just feel really tired. So the good thing about this hairstyle is that if you like locks and you do not like the commitment of like locking your hair permanently, you can always do this and unravel it when you're tired of wearing it. This is also a great way to start your locks. If you want to start locks, instead of doing regular 2-strand twist or braids, you can start your locks this way. And the good thing about starting your locks this way is that you get to start having mature looking locks even on the first day. My mom actually, I started my mom's locks with these, and she's just a few months in and her hair is already fully locked. So her hair started looking like locks from the very first day, and it eventually started locking up after a while. So about half an inch, then start to braid very loose. My braids, I have this much hair left. Then I twirl the rest around my finger. Then twirl the rest of the hair around my finger. I've been wanting to try, I've done the temporary lock so many times. As you guys are following me on Instagram must have already seen. But I've never really done this size. I've never really done them this small. So I'm really excited to see how it will look when I'm done. So after this, maybe the next After this, maybe the next time I try it, I'm going to do like very tiny, like the size of sister locks, and see how it's going to look. Purpose of banding is to help the hair like lay flat, because like now if you look at it, it's kind of hanging in an awkward manner. So banding is to help it like lay flat, and it will also help to, it doesn't really give much stretch, to be honest, but it will help to make it form like a cylindrical shape. Like since you breathe loosely, there are some spaces in it, so banding it will help it like stay compact, and to help it look more like locks. So I'm done doing my whole head. It took me a total of 4 hours to complete my whole head, and this is what it looks like. I did a little edging. So I put it in a ponytail. Let me take it down. Let me give you guys the back thing. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next